Do you know many people are having trouble with transferring their photos from a Samsung Galaxy S24 FE to a computer? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Connect device. Begin by connecting your Samsung Galaxy S24 FE to your computer using a USB cable. Ensure both ends are securely attached to their respective ports. Step 2. Select mode. On your phone, tap on the notification prompt to choose the connection type and select Transfer Files or MTP mode. Step 3. Open Explorer. Go to File Explorer on your computer. Locate and click on your Samsung device listed as a connected device. Step 4. Find Photos. Within your phone's directory, navigate to the DCIM or Pictures folder which stores your photos. Step 5. Transfer photos. Choose the photos you want to transfer and then drag or copy them to a desired folder on your computer. After following these steps, you should successfully transfer photos from your phone to your computer. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Samsung users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.